Y'all, Walmart gave me this as a substitute, so watch me turn this into a whole breakfast. Watch me. I'm about to make these into a whole breakfast. Watch me. Y'all gonna be like, oh my God. And it's only gonna cost me literally $3, $4 max. I'm going to be using this as well. This is at Sam's Club, I think for like 13 bucks. Y'all, I'm gonna fill my little cup bowl up completely. I'm pouring it here in my muffins. I'm going to repeat the same thing with this one. I'm going to fill this up completely. Come on, work with me. And I'm going to fill this bowl up as well. So y'all, I'm going to pour milk into both of these. This one and this one.
Yeah, I'll ask you, Mommy.
As y'all see, I have my muffin pans. I'm about to take this stick of butter and coat my whole pans, each and every one, and with this butter so it does not stick to the pan. Y'all can see I have coated my pan with butter. Next, I'm about to pour my muffin mix in there / pancake mix. Remember my sausages? I took the links, it was like 10 in there, and I chopped them up. And now I'm going to put some in each one of these and mix it up. So y'all done mixed my sausages up in there. You can see them like little chunks. And now I'm about to put in my muffin pan. So y'all, I'm gonna repeat the same thing with my second container. So y'all, I'm gonna repeat the same thing with my second container. Instead, I'm gonna scoop it in because it's way easier than me pouring it and it's way less messy. I'm gonna put 3 spoons in each container. So I'm gonna repeat this step and I was able to get 16 muffins. So you guys, I made 2 batches. I popped it in the oven on 350 and this is what they look like. So as y'all can see, the muffins are done. Y'all look at those. You can see like a piece of the sausage poking out. I'm about to try to pull one out and see if it come apart. Cause I normally use pan, but I didn't have pan on hand, so I used butter. I'm gonna wait till it cool down. This is way too hot. I'm using these muffins to meal prep. I'm gonna put in these containers. I have 8 of them because I have 8 kiddos. Yo, would y'all try this with your kids? If y'all do, let me know how it comes out.